Hey, what's up guys? It's Texumer talking to you here, and today I want to teach you how to make your AirPods Pro better in 2022. And for that, I'm going to show you a very interesting product and I will review it. This is not a sponsored video. This was one thing that I just took advice from someone, Randy Vasquez from Telusive Tech Podcast, and I actually bought these things and tried them out. And after trying them out, let me tell you, they are amazing. They are these incredible foam tips that you put on your AirPods Pro. You take out the silicone ones, you put the foam tips, and they are insane. They are insanely good. They block out all of the noise, they make ANC so much better, and they are way more comfortable than the current silicone tips. And the best part of this is they only cost $15 to $20. So they are very cheap. They make your AirPods Pro 100 times better, 100 times more comfortable, and almost at the level of the AirPods Max, while being smaller and way cheaper. So in this video I will show you all about them. I will tell you how they work, how actually expensive they are, which are very cheap, not expensive at all. We'll show you the unboxing and I will review them for you guys. So if you are interested in that, do not forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel. No further ado, roll the intro. So, what are these things and how actually do they work? Well, it's actually pretty easy. These two AirPods tips are made of a premium foam, which expands when compressed. So, you just compress the tips, put them in your ears, and then they will expand. This is actually pretty simple and they work very well. What do they do? Well, they isolate the sound much better. So they create a much tighter fit between your ears and your foam tips, which improves transparency mode and ANC and improves sound quality and everything else, comfort, because they adjust to your ears. So they improve comfort by a long shot. So these are premium foam tips and only cost $15 and make your AirPods Pro, which cost $250, much better. So do I recommend them? Absolutely. These are insanely cool, insanely good, and they work very well. You will notice a lot of differences when using them. So yes, I advise you to buy them. If you have the money, if you don't want to spend any more money on your AirPods Pro, that's fine. This is a friend's advice. These are amazing accessories for your AirPods Pro, and they will elevate their game by a long shot. And maybe you won't have the need to upgrade next year. So yes, I do think that these foam tips are an amazing opportunity for you to improve your AirPods Pro capabilities in 2022. So I advise you to buy them. They are pretty cool, they are cheap, they work very well. And you will have an Amazon link down below. Of course, affiliate, I will let you know. I'm not adding anything. This is not a sponsored video, but if you want to get them, I will leave an affiliate link down below in this description. If you want to know the differences between the two tips, the AirPods Pro on the left have the silicone tips, and on the right they have the premium foam tips. The differences are big. One is black, one is white, but one is way softer and way more pliable than the other. Of course, on the case, they are both incredible fitting, and you don't need to worry. The AirPods Pro with the premium foam tips, they fit incredibly well on the case. So no need to worry there. You can see here the case closes and opens really easily. So yes, try them out. Let me see. Let me know in the comments down below what are your opinions on these foam tips. They are incredible. They work very well. And like I showed you, simple unboxing, work very well, easy to put on, easy to put off, work amazingly well. So That's my opinion on these foam tips. They work amazingly well, they are incredible, and I do recommend them in 2022. Try to find one that are cheap. Like I said before, I got this recommendation from Mandy Vasquez. They work very good. Of course, these are easy to take off, easy to put on. These are incredible. If you want instruction how to use them, it's simple. You just receive them, like you take them off, easy. It's not that easy actually. I take them off, like you take them off. Then you just put them close, squeezed in, that's it. Then they ask you to squeeze it very tight and put them in your ears. I will get me forward, that's it. That's how you put them. Then you wait, you hold on a bit because it will expand. And that's done. It has expanded. So now it's a complete seal on my ear. If you want to take it off, simple, you take it off and it's done. Then I can show you that it has these types of deformations which are from my ear. So they adjust to your ear, and that's why they are incredible. That's why they work so well, and that's why they improve your AirPods Pro. That's why I love them, and that's why I really recommend them in 2022. So let me know in the comments down below what are your opinions. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate the support, and that's how you make your AirPods Pro better in 2022. So no further ado, this has been Texmer talking to you here. Bye.